Day 8 of the HST 2025 program consisted of a morning and an afternoon workshop session by the Perimeter Institute. The Perimeter Institute is a Canadian research centre focused on theoretical physics. Its purpose is to advance our understanding of the fundamental nature of the universe through cutting-edge research, foster collaboration amongst scientists, and promote science education and public outreach. The Institute aims to push the boundaries of knowledge in areas such as quantum mechanics, cosmology, and particle physics. Joining us today, all the way from Canada, are teachers in residence, Dave Fish and Ashley McCall-Palmer. The morning session focused on the topics of the expanding universe and the mystery of dark matter. The afternoon session presented a fields design challenge as well as a topic of quantum physics and microscopes.
Hi there, I'm Ashley and I'm from the Perimeter Institute. We are a physics think tank based out of Waterloo, Ontario, and we've been here today at CERN with the teachers having so much fun sharing a bunch of hands-on resources from waves to like circular motion, dark matter, you name it, we research it and have a lot of fun training teachers on how to use it. So hopefully it'll come to a classroom near you sometime soon.